afternoon, I'm Chris at Eurospeak Southampton, and today I'm going to give you 1 minute of tips on English pronunciation, how to improve it. So, first of all, speak with native speakers or expert users of English. The more conversation you have, the easier it is for you to pick up the correct English pronunciation. Secondly, mimic the way native speakers talk or expert users talk, very important. And also focus on different sounds. So maybe one day focus on the first sound, and another day focus on the past tense ending of regular verbs. Also use a phonemic chart. You can find some brilliant online phonemic charts, especially Oxford University have an interactive phonemic chart where you click the chart and you get the sound. Speak with native speakers, have a good conversation with them. Don't be afraid of being corrected. Okay, it's very important. A lot of people are embarrassed about speaking English and also embarrassed about being corrected, but don't be. It's important that you can be corrected and also correct your pronunciation. Also use a dictation website or device. Microsoft 365 has a dictation facility. So if you speak and it copies your words, dictates your words correctly, then that's good. And also record yourself speaking and play it back, listen to the way you speak. Can you identify any errors that you may need correcting? Okay. Also use a learner's dictionary. Learner's dictionaries are great because they have the actual phonemic symbols in there, and they teach you how to pronounce a new word. Okay. Well, thank you. Anyway, good luck. Enjoy your voyage into English pronunciation, and see you next time. Bye.